Hello, buenos dias. I'm Alex Morin, founder of Promonoise, and do I ever have an exciting line of clothing to share with you today. It's called Urban Afuera. What does Afuera mean? In Spanish, Afuera means outside or outdoors, and we're talking about the Grand Canyon. We're talking about the Rocky Mountains, the great outdoors. But we're also talking about stepping outside of our culture, outside of our families, outside of the countries that we were born in. Urban Afuera is a line that's all about blending culture. Mezclando culturas means blending our cultures. And that's what we're talking about in this line of clothing. David Wright, the founder of this company, and his family moved from El Salvador to Canada. David Wright is Canadian, but he met his wife in El Salvador, and he had a real hard time bringing his kids back across the border. That was challenging. But many years after the fact, he was finally able to accomplish that. And he recognized that many people in Latin America, all over the world, have the same types of challenges. And he wanted to create a line of clothing that spoke to those challenges, that unite people that are coming from different countries. And it doesn't only have to be from Latin America. It can be from Asia or Africa or any other continent for that matter. This is universal. Universal. That's the line of clothing we're talking about. David Wright is a professional when it comes to technically printing garments, when it comes to personalization and decoration, and it's created this line for you to be able to personalize it. Where do your stakeholders come from? What are they celebrating? Are they from Costa Rica? Are they Panamanian? Are they El Salvadorian? Did you know that each of these t-shirts can actually be personalized? To the extent that we can actually change the colors on them to reflect the flag, the colors on the flag from which the people who get them are from. Did you know that we can put names on the sleeves and countries' flags as well to celebrate the roots of where people come from? This is a small part of the Urban Afuera line, but there's much more. As you'll discover, what's going to happen is we're creating a community. That's what David's doing. And people that get these shirts, that celebrate their culture, are going to have a place to share their stories. This is why I came to North America. This is how I'm bringing my culture into this beautiful Canadian culture. And this is how we are growing this beautiful country. That is what Urban Afuera is all about. The stories, the community, the coming together of people who will celebrate their roots, celebrate their new futures. That's what's happening. This line of clothing is spectacular. It's beautiful to be able to share. It's awesome for corporations that are celebrating DEI, diversity, equity, inclusion. Is that what you're all about? Are you celebrating the roots, the culture of your people? Because we're all from somewhere else, ultimately. Let's celebrate that with Urban Afuera. Hey, I'm Alex from Promonoise. Thanks for watching this video. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and check out this unbelievable line, Urban Afuera. Hey, thanks very much, and let's keep making beautiful noise.